Hello friends, today we discuss about pharmacology, study about pharmacology 8th edition, elliptic or illustrated review by Karen Wellen. Now let's start. We first chapter we start first chapter of pharmacology. Pharmacology. Unit number 1 is principle of drug therapy. Chapter name is pharmacokinetics. First chapter we discuss about pharmacokinetics. Here first we start with is pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics refers to what the body does to a drug. Where's pharmacodynamics? Describe what the drugs does to the body. For pharmacokinetic properties determine the onset, intensity and duration of drug action. Here you can see in this table the four properties of pharmacokinetics: first absorption, second distribution, third metabolism and fourth elimination. Now let's start discussing these properties in details. First we start absorption. Here is you can see that first absorption from the site of administrations permits entry of the drug into plasma. Now here is you can see that drug side of the administrations and absorption start from the drug side of the administrations where drug in plasma also added. So next absorption is converted absorption. When start absorption, then drug distribute in the body. Here no what we can see that distribution. Second, the drug may reversibly leave the bloodstream and distribute into interstitial and intracellular fluids. Next, so here we can read this distribute. So here when the drug is absorbed in the body, then it distribute in the intracellular and interstitial fluids. Next, third part is metabolism. When the drug is distributed, no start metabolism. Third, the drug may be biotransferred through metabolism by the liver or the other tissues. And fourth and last part and last property of pharmacokinetics is elimination. Finally, the drug and its metabolism are eliminated from the body in urine, bile or feces. Next, we can study about routes of drug administration. The route of administration is determined by the properties of the drug. What is the properties of the drugs? Are the properties of the drugs, for example, water or lipid solubility, ionization is the property of drugs. And by therapeutic objectives, for example, the need for a rapid onset, the need for long-term treatment or restriction of delivery of to a local site. Major routes of drug administration include enteral, parenteral and topical among others. What is enteral, parenteral and topical? Let's we discuss in detail this. Now let's start what is enteral. Enteral administration drug by mouth. The drug that we take by mouth, this route is called enteral route, is the most common, convenient and economical method of drug administration. The drug may be swallowed, allowing oral delivery, or it may be placed under the tongue, sublingual or between the gums and cheek, facilitating direct absorption into the bloodstream. Next, the parts of the enteral, how the this route work. These routes work. First we oral. First we can see oral. Oral administration provide many advantages. Oral drugs are easily self-administered, and toxicities and our overdose of oral drugs may be overcome with antidotes such as activated charcoal. However, the pathways involved in oral drug absorption are the most complicated, and the low gastric pH activates some drugs. A wide range of oral preparations is available, including enteric coated and extended release preparations. Next, enteric coated preparations and extended release preparation. Enteric coated preparation and enteric coating is a chemical envelope that protects the drug from stomach acid, delivering it instead to the less acidic intestine, where the coating dissolve and release the drug. Enteric coating is useful for certain drugs, for example omeprazole, that are acid label and for drugs that are irritating the stomach such as aspirin.